Managing diabetes can be complicated. Simplify how you manage your diabetes using Dexcom CLARITY software data reporting. Quick access to a variety of reports can help you better assess and understand your health insights. Dexcom CLARITY software can be accessed on your compatible smartphone via the Dexcom CLARITY app or web-based application. Not only can you view your data, you can also share it with your diabetes care team to support discussions with a review, analysis, and evaluation of historical continuous glucose monitoring data to help support effective diabetes management. Get glucose insights on the go with a Dexcom CLARITY app. View glucose statistics and get weekly notifications to track your progress anytime, anywhere. Download from the Apple or Google Play Store with a compatible mobile device and log in with your Dexcom account information to access key glucose statistics like patterns and time in range. Authorize data sharing with your diabetes team for more efficient appointments. Save, print, or email all the Dexcom CLARITY reports. Remember, you already have a Dexcom account. You can use it to log in if you use the Dexcom Continuous Glucose Monitoring app, upload your Dexcom receiver to Dexcom CLARITY at home, if you ever ordered supplies directly from Dexcom. If you do not have a Dexcom account, you can create one on the login page in the app. While using the Dexcom Continuous Glucose Monitoring app, you are automatically and continuously sending your glucose data to your Dexcom CLARITY account. Once logged in to the Dexcom CLARITY app, you will see 4 tabs along the bottom: Summary, Reports, Goals, and Profile. Let's explore these tabs in more detail. The Summary tab shows your glucose information. You can see your time in range, which is the percentage of time that your glucose is between 3.9 and 10.0 millimole per litre. The percentage of time that glucose levels are high and low can also be seen. Any high or low patterns detected by CLARITY during the date range selected are also shown here. By reviewing this information, you can see if, when, and where you need to make changes to your insulin regime. If you need further information on how to do this, then please speak to your healthcare professional. The second tab is Reports. Here you can look a little deeper into your glucose data with a range of reports. The Overview report shows a glucose summary dashboard of statistics, a pattern summary, and the best glucose day for the date range selected. Example 2, 7, 14, 30, or 90 days, and will save your most recent date range selection for the next time you view your report. The Overview report will also generate a trend report showing trends for the number of days you have selected to display. It also contains the device settings, which shows information about your Dexcom CGM system. The Patterns report provides graphical patterns, statistics, and considerations for highs, lows, and your best day within the selected date range. These are the same patterns summarized on the Overview report. There will always be best day information to review. Scroll up and down the screen to see all patterns. The Overlay report displays the number of selected days' data in one screen. Example, if you select 7 days, you will see 7 days of data in one graph, each with colored lines to represent a single day's data. You can include up to 90 days of information, and these graphs are shown on a weekly basis, with the newest data shown first. The daily report displays glucose data in graphs by the day over the selected time range. Daily graphs are displayed with the most recent day first. Simply scroll down the screen to load the next page of previous day's data. The Compare report is divided into 2 columns containing graphs, statistics, patterns, and devices to compare within selected date ranges. The daily statistics report shows calculated values for the individual day of the week over the date range selected. For example, if the date range is 14 days, all the continuous glucose monitoring values collected on the 2 Mondays would be used in the Monday calculations. The hourly statistics report shows calculated values for the individual hour of the day over the date range selected. For example, if the date range is 7 days, all CGM values collected for each individual hour for each of the 7 days would be used in the calculations. The last report you will see is the AGP report. This stands for Ambulatory Glucose Profile, AGP. This is a licensed, standardized glucose report created by the International Diabetes Center. AGP provides a standard set of information and graphs relating to your diabetes management and is only one part of understanding your glucose patterns. The third tab shows you your goals. This includes your best day and the amount of days you achieved your time in range goal across a desired time period. In this tab, you have the option to personalize your goal. For example, if you want to aim for a higher time in range than the default 80%, you can edit the goal to see how many days you achieved this. The fourth tab is Profile. Here you can manage your profile, consent, notifications, edit your target range, and authorize sharing with your clinic. You can also check out our support options should you need it. Please note, changes only apply to Dexcom CLARITY and do not change any settings on your Dexcom continuous glucose monitoring system. Once you start using your Dexcom device, it's recommended you authorize data sharing with your clinic so they have access to your data during visits. A healthcare professional uses their Dexcom CLARITY account to invite you to share data with their clinic. They will provide the information in print or by email. The invitation includes a sharing code that you enter on your Dexcom CLARITY app to accept the invitation before the expiration date shown. To begin sharing data, complete these simple-to-follow steps. Log into the Dexcom CLARITY app with your Dexcom login. Tap Profile. Authorize sharing. Enter the sharing code and your date of birth, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have completed the acceptance, your account and the clinic's account will automatically share data. Now you are set up to use Dexcom CLARITY. Don't forget, you can access Dexcom CLARITY online.